All right, well, that's it, guys. That's all I'm going to see of Lake Tahoe on this trip anyways. I'm going to hop in the van and take a leak and hit the road. We made it to Reno, and yes, I am staying in a hotel for 2 nights, and there's a couple reasons for that. Reason 1, it was really cheap, $100 for 2 nights. Plus they allow dogs at no extra charge, and I can take a shower. That's the major reason number 1. Number 2 is I can leave Luca chilling in here in this hotel while I go explore around Reno on the e-bike and not worry about things happening to the van, you know, like it getting towed or someone breaking in. So that's why I got the hotel. Tonight I think I'm gonna take Luca for a walk. I had to pee really bad, so I stopped at a dog-friendly tap house and had a beer and a leak, and now we're walking back to the hotel. This is probably the nicest casino I've seen so far. Hand towel. I won't eat it. I think I have like $12. That is how you gamble. Win $100 and get the hell out of there. Today I am about to embark on a drive across the state of Nevada known as Highway 50, otherwise known as the loneliest road in America.